Hello students, this is Suvan sir. Today we are going to start that remaining questions which we were doing yesterday 2.4 exercise. So from question number 5 I am going to start. Question number 4 I have given you as a homework, and question number 5 we are going to start. And if there is any doubt in question number 4, you can ask me personally, and then I will explain you how to solve that question. So question number 5, Shobho's mother present age is 6 times Shobho's present age. Shobho's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? Okay, so algebraically we have to solve this questions. First of all, we will assume as the present age of Shobho be x. So let us assume that let Shobho's present age be x years. Okay, now according to question, what is given to us? If his age is x year, then his mother's age will be, then Shobho's mother's age will be 6x years, because 6 times of age of Shobho's present age. So 6x years. Okay, that means whatever the age of Shobho, if we multiply that age with 6, we will get the present age of his mother. Now according to question, what is given to us? 5 years from now, Shobho's present age will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So x plus 5. Okay, right now his age is x. After 5 years his age will be what? X plus 5, and that is equal to 1/3 of his mother's age, and that is 6x. Okay, whatever the age of Shobho, for example his age is 20 years, then after 5 years what will be his age? His age will be 25 years. Okay, how we calculated? We just add 5 to 20. So similarly, what if his age is x, then after 5 years his age will be x plus 5, and it is given that it is equal to 1/3 of his mother's age. So 1/3 multiply with mother's age, and mother's age is what? 6x years. So 6x multiply with 1/3. 3 will divide 6 2 times, so it will become 2x, and here x plus 5. This x will go towards the right hand side, and you will get 5 is equal to 2x minus x. This implies that x will be equal to 2x minus x is what? X, and x will be equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 years. That means the present age of Shobho is 5 years. So his mother's age will be 5 multiplied with 6, 30 years. Okay, so we will write. Okay, here I am writing Shobho's age, present age, is equal to 5 years. Shobho's mother's present age is equal to 6x. So 6 into 5, that is 30 years. Now next question. Question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Maholi's village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat for rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimension of the plot? So ratio is given to us, but length and breadth are not given to us. The cost of fencing the plot will be, okay, so whatever the cost is given to us to fence the plot. Okay, so when we fence a plot, for example a plot is there, rectangular plot. Okay, so when we fence that plot, it will be around its boundaries, that means around its perimeter. So for that, the cost is given to us. Okay, cost is given to us at the rate of rupees 100 per meter. Okay, so suppose if we divide this cost by 100, we will get the perimeter of the rectangular plot, and the ratio is also given to us. Okay, so first of all we will assume, let the length and breadth of the plot be 11x meters and 4x meters. Okay, that we have assumed that 11x meters and 4x meters will be the length and breadth. That means the value of L is 11x, value of L is 11x and breadth is 4x. Now first of all we will find the perimeter of the rectangular plot. So it will be equal to the cost, that is rupees 75,000, and it will be divided by 100. Cost 75,000 divided by 100. So 0 to 0 cancel. It will be 750 meters. So 750 meter is the perimeter of the rectangular plot. Now we will apply the formula for the perimeter of the rectangular plot. So perimeter of the rectangular plot will be equal to 750 meters. Okay, so here I am writing perimeter of the rectangular plot. Okay, perimeter is equal to 750 meter. Formula for perimeter is 2 multiply length plus breadth is equal to 750 meter is given to us. And what we have assumed, the length we have assumed as 11x, breadth we have assumed as 4x. So 11x plus 4x is equal to 750 meters. 11 plus 4 is 15x, multiply with 2 and it is equal to 750. Okay, now 15 to the 30x is equal to 750. So x will be equal to 750 divided by 30. Okay, so 0 to 0 cancel, 3 will divide 75 25 times. Okay, so the value of x is 25. So if the value of x is 25, the length of the plot is equal to 11x, and since x is 25, so 11 multiply with 25. Okay, 11 multiply with 25. So 25 into 11 is 275 meters. Similarly, breadth of the rectangular plot, so breadth of the plot is equal to 4x. 4 multiply with 25, and 4 into 25 is what? 100. So 100 meters. So what we have calculated? We have calculated the dimensions of the plot. Now question number 7. Hassan buys 2 kinds of cloth material for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meter of the shirt material, he buys 2 meter of the trouser material. He sells that material at 12% and 10% profit. His total sale is rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? So first of all we will assume the ratio. Okay, so the ratio is also given to us. That means for every 3 meter of the shirt he buys 2 meter of the trouser material. So we will write ratio of shirt material to trouser material is equal to 3:2. Okay, so we can assume that let shirt material be 3x meters and trouser materials be 2x meters. Okay, because they are in the ratio, we can assume as 3x meters and 2x meters respectively. Now after this we will, therefore cost of shirt material will be equal to since rupees for 50 per meter is given to us, so it will be rupees 50 multiplied with 3x, that is rupees 150x. Okay, so in this way cost of trouser material will be equal to rupees 90. At rupees 90 it is given to us, rupees 90 it is given to us. So 90 multiply with the ratio 2x, so 90 multiply with 2x, that is rupees 180x. Okay, now when he sold those, now again read the question, what is given to us. He sells that material at 12% profit and 10% profit respectively. So we can say that we can find the selling price also. So selling price of shirt material will be equal to, at what profit he is sold. He sold at 12%, okay, and 10% respectively. So 12%, at 12% profit he sold the shirt material. So rupees 150x plus 150x multiply with 12%, that means 12 upon 100. Okay, see, what is the cost price of shirt material? 150x. Cost price of shirt material is 150x, and he got a profit of 12%. On what? Profit is always calculated on cost price. So profit is calculated on cost price, and that profit is added to the previous cost price. जो 150x, that is that we were having 150x as a cost price. Then 12% increment is there. So 150x multiply with 12 upon 100. So rupees 150x plus 150 multiply with 12 upon 100. So 150 into 15 into 12 is 180. So it will become 1800x whole upon 100. 0 to 0 cancel. It will become rupees 150 plus 150x plus 18x. Okay, 150x plus 18x will become rupees 168x. Rupees 168x. Okay, that is the selling price of the shirt material. Now selling price of the trouser material. Selling price of trouser material. Selling price of trouser material will be equal to rupees. Now 10% profit is there. Since 180x is the cost price, so rupees 180x plus 180x into 10% profit. So 10 upon 100. Okay, 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. Now 180 plus 18, 180 plus 18, that is rupees 198x, rupees 198x, that is the selling price of trouser material. Now again read the question. What is some more things are given to us. His total sale is rupees 36,600. So if we add the total selling price, if we calculate the total selling price, that should be equal to 36,600. So we will add these two values, 168x and 198x, and we will equate it to 36,600. So total selling price is equal to, total selling price is given as rupees 36,600. 36,600. So total selling price will be equal to the selling price of shirt material plus selling price of shirt material plus selling price of trouser material. And that is equal to 36,600 rupees. Now selling price of shirt material was rupees 168x plus selling price of trouser material is rupees 198x, and it is equal to 36,600. When you add these two values, 8 plus 8 16, 1 carry, 7 plus 9 16, 1 carry, and it will become 366x, and it is equal to 36,600. Now x will be equal to 36,600 divided by, okay, rupees 366x will be equal to 36,600. So it will be divided by 366. 366 will divide this value 100 times. So x will be equal to 100. So if x is equal to 100, we can easily calculate the value of trouser material did he buy. Okay, it is given in the question, how much trouser material did he buy. So trouser material was in the ratio of 2x. Okay, so that we can easily calculate. So trouser material is equal to, so length of trouser material is equal to length of trouser material is equal to 2x. So 2 multiply with 100, that is 200 meters, and that is the required answer. So some more questions I will give you as a homework, because tomorrow is Sunday, so you will easily solve the questions and complete your fair copies as soon as possible. Thank you.